morning, guys. It is currently about 10 a.m. on Tuesday, March 9th. I'm eating a protein bar. These are the barbell protein bar in the caramel cashew, and they are so good. I've got my gallon water bottle filled up. Gotta finish that today. Tyler and I are about to go work out, so I'm gonna go up and change in a second. And then I have a very exciting, productive day. We've got to clean the room since we just got back from Denver. And I have a cool little haul all to come. Get excited. Okay, ignore the mess that is my room right now. Just pay it no attention. We're about to go work out. I think I might go on a little bit of a walk. I've been running, but I don't feel like running today and I don't want to burn myself out, so I'm not gonna push it, but we're still gonna get a good workout in. I just changed into this UCLA sweatshirt that I got from H&M. H&M has been my shit lately. I fuck with H&M. Some Under Armour shorts and then just socks, and I'll put some tennis shoes on. And my tan is still looking so good. If you haven't seen my last video, I'll link it up here. Check it out. I tried out that TikTok tanning hack and it worked great. Yeah, let's go work out. I really don't want to do this workout. Okay, ignore my hair right now. I just get so frustrated. Does anybody else get so frustrated when their hair is down and they're outside and it's just really windy and your hair is just constantly in your face? Because it's like my biggest pet peeve ever. Maybe not my biggest, but definitely one of them. Anyway, I just got back from Aldi's. Aldi's has been killing it lately. Like, over any grocery store, I would rather go to Aldi's at this point. And it's really close to me, which is really nice. I'll show you what I got really quickly. I got some good stuff that I'm really excited about. First, I got chicken salad. I've been craving chicken salad and I'm too lazy to actually make it, so I got pre-made. And then I got some cocktail shrimp because I love to snack on cocktail shrimp. I don't know why. And that's really low calorie. Then I got this ginger vinaigrette because you know those salads that you get at the hibachi restaurants? That's what I want. So I got that. And then I got this broccoli stuffed chicken that I thought looked good, so I'm excited to try that. I got some cheese sticks. I got some frozen hash browns, so these would be good just like put in the air fryer really quickly for breakfast. Some chicken tenders, buffalo style chicken deli meat, which is awesome. I've had this at other places. I've never had it from Aldi's, but it's really good. And then I just got another thing of my favorite bagels. Brendan really likes them now too, so I got another one. I wish they had more, but I got the last one. Some green apples. I got just some romaine hearts to make that salad with. And then I just got some strawberries and grapes. Okay, now I'm just going to cut up my strawberries so that they're already cut up. So I don't have to do any work whenever I'm ready to eat them. It makes it a lot easier for me to eat healthier when I don't have to do as much preparation. I'm also gonna wash the grapes and take them off of the stems so that I can just snack on these also. Now I'm going to make myself some lunch. I was about to say breakfast, but it's now 2 p.m. I think I'm just gonna make a couple of eggs, probably one of my bagels and cream cheese, and then some fruit. And that should hold me over for a while. right, I've got my eggs, my bagel with cream cheese and strawberries. I've got my water, and I'm gonna chill and watch YouTube while I eat my breakfast. Okay, it is a while later. I changed, and now Tyler and I are going to clean this room because it is such a mess. We still haven't unpacked from Denver. The suitcase is right there. We need to make the bed, we need to do laundry, we need to put away laundry and do all that stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to light an incense. This is white sage. And then I'm also going to light this candle and, you know, just get all the good vibes in the room. We're gonna cleanse and purify the space. The room is clean, candles are lit. I'm about to show you guys what I got. I've been doing a lot of shopping, so I want to show you what I've got. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you are these glasses that this brand actually sent me, which is so sweet. I think it's pronounced Tane, and they reached out and asked me if I would like anything, so I picked out 2 glasses. They come with these really cute like leather carrying cases, which are adorable. The first pair I got were these. I thought these were just like different, like they were a different shape than I usually get. These are the Roel, R-O-E-L. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but they look like this, and they're definitely different than what I usually wear, but I'm kind of obsessed with them. I'm excited to take them to Florida with us in April. And then the other pair I got are these super cute blue light glasses, because sometimes I'll be wearing my contacts and I still have to like work on my computer, so I don't want to take my contact out to put my glasses on. So these would be great. I think they're so cute, adorable, and these are the Okami blue light filter with the gold frames. I love these. These are adorable. Like, these are just like nothing I would ever wear. So thank you so much, Tane Eyewear, for sending me these. I will have their Instagram and website, and then these 2 glasses linked down below if you guys want to check them out. Next, I have been doing a lot of shopping lately because I didn't do any shopping for a long time, and I did a lot of shopping for Denver, but ended up not wearing a lot of the stuff anyway because that's just what I always do. I got this super cute shirt. I wear it off the shoulder, and then these things just like wrap around your waist, and it is adorable. It's really flattering with this little V detail. I got this from Windsor, and I don't have the tag on it anymore, but I don't think it was that expensive. And then also from Windsor, I got this adorable corset top like this. It comes with straps, so you can definitely wear it without it. And I love that it's just like flat, like it doesn't have like the bra cups built into it. It is so flattering. I'm literally obsessed with it. I was going to wear it in Denver, but when we went out at night, it just wasn't warm enough to wear it. So I am excited to have somewhere to wear that soon. And then I went to H&M, and I found, this was actually the H&M in Denver that I went to, but I found these super cute leather pants. They're just like the straight cut pants, and they're so comfortable and so flattering, and they have like fleece on the inside, so they're really warm and comfy. And I've been looking for a pair of these, so I was super excited to find them there. And then I got this super adorable crop top. It's like a sweater material. I don't know, I just thought it was a cute basic. It had matching pants, but I didn't get the matching pants. And then I grabbed these jeans because I am so happy that like straight leg and boot cut jeans are coming back in style, because I loved that shit in high school. Like, I'll find pictures. I rocked the boot cut jeans as long as I possibly could before they went completely out of style. So I got this pair. They're just boot cut jeans with the slit at the bottom, They're high-waisted. They feel like really great quality, and they weren't expensive at all. H&M has been killing it lately. And then I ordered from Nasty Gal. I love Nasty Gal's clothes, but I don't love that they ship through FedEx. FedEx, every time I order something and it's shipped through FedEx, it ends up taking so long. I ordered all of these clothes for Denver, and they were supposed to come in 3 days before I left, and they came in 3 days after I left. Slightly irritated, probably won't order from Nasty Gal as often as I do because of FedEx. Figure it out, Nasty Gal. FedEx, just get your shit together. I would appreciate it. What I was most excited for from this order is this leather jacket. It's like super baggy and oversized. It's so hard to show on camera, but it's got like the bat wing kind of sleeve, and it's just really slouchy and cute. I was gonna wear it over a hoodie. Couldn't do that obviously, but I am excited. Next, I got these pants, which I think they sent me the wrong pants, because I will put a picture up on the screen of what I ordered, and then this is what came in the mail. They're a completely different color. The ones that I ordered were black, and these are like light gray. I mean, they are the same like style, like they're still like the straight cut. This is definitely not what I ordered, so I'm gonna be returning these. Once again, thanks Nasty Gal, please get your shit together. I got these jeans, which you're not gonna be able to tell now, but they're the jeans that like tie at the ankle. Like they're like this, so they're baggy, but then they tie, so they like cinch, you know? But I'm hoping they fit. They look like they might be slightly big. What size did I get them in? I got them in UK 12, European 4, whatever that is, in US sizes. I think it means that it's an 8, but we'll see if these are cute. I really hope so, because I'm really excited for them, but if not, I'll just return them. And then I'm also super excited for these pants. I wanted these so bad for Denver. These would have been so cute. They're just like those black pants with the white stitching. Like how cute, with like a small white crop top and like white Nikes. I was so excited for these. I wish I could have worn them. I hope these fit. Okay, US 8 is what a UK 12 is, so I was right with those jeans. I don't usually wear an 8, but I've noticed a lot of the times when I order pants online, they end up being too small. So we sized up. I usually wear a 6. The next thing I got feels like such great quality. I'm really excited for this. It is just this, like, oh my god, it's got shoulder pads, this blazer, which like, imagine this with like biker shorts, a black crop, and like tall black boots. Like so cute. Or just like a short black dress with this and then boots. I am so excited. I really hope this fits. It feels like really good quality. And then last but not least, I got this t-shirt, which I've already bought. Dude, it's ripped. Are you kidding me? Nasty Gal, come on. Okay, well, I was really excited. I got this like shoulder pad tee. I think I just need to start buying better quality basics, because I'm getting them off of like Misguided and then they end up being the worst quality. So if you have, you need to check out Zara for basics, because these places are just not cutting it. It was a shoulder pad like tank top kind of thing, but it is literally ripped wide open in the back. Disappointed, I'll tell you what. So I need to return that, return at least one pair of my pants. If the other ones don't fit, we'll return those too. How disappointing. So it's a while later. I actually just took like an hour nap and it felt great. And now I'm really just gonna go edit for the rest of the day and maybe make some dinner later. But I thought I would end this vlog here, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.